How to turn off Bixby Voice on Samsung Smart TV. Now once you are here on the main home page, you can go to the category of apps and under downloaded apps, if you have installed Bixby, you can simply tap on it, or else another step you could do in order to turn off Bixby Voice is that at the bottom left corner, you'll see Settings. From here, go ahead and tap on All Settings. Now once you come here, go to Advanced Features. From here, you'll see Voice. Tap on it. Now, over here, you can see Bixby Settings. Go ahead and select it. Now, once you come to Bixby Settings, you'll see Bixby Feedback. Now over here, go to Voice Response and you can see that the toggle has been turned on. Simply select it in order to turn it off. And with that, you will be able to turn off Bixby Voice on Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.